The technology that we are building of the future will reflect the people that build it today. So we need to make sure that we are building a diverse workforce, and we need to make sure that quantum computing and the resources and the learning is accessible to all at the earliest stage possible. I'm Dr. Ilana Wisby. I am the CEO of Oxford Quantum Circuits. I think, like so many things, you find yourself doing something which turns out to be a passion, but you find yourself kind of working through life in that way. I initially did an undergraduate in physics with a minor in music, and from there I did a PhD, and that was actually in quantum physics, and that's really when I first fell in love with quantum physics. And then as I continued on through my career, I learned about the impact, what it can do for the world, and the algorithms and how they will really be able to have an impact on different industries and different applications. And it's really rare to be able to find a technology that really has such a profound impact on pretty much every single vertical that is out there. What does Oxford Quantum Circuits do? Well, we build quantum computers. We are a pure-play quantum compute as a service company. And that means that it's really our mission to put the hands of quantum into the smartest minds to enable them to deliver on some of those incredible solutions. And that's really important for us. So we today have multiple quantum computers downstairs. One of them is Lucy, and Lucy is connected up to the cloud. So customers today can log on to AWS, Amazon Bracket, and can run algorithms onto our public cloud access system, Lucy, which is in the lab that you were just in, which is just incredible. We have a unique way of building a superconducting quantum bit that is proprietary technology that span out from the University of Oxford with the company 4 years ago. There are many applications of quantum technology. Quantum computing in particular will impact on pretty much every single market vertical that is out there. The world is made up of lots of atoms and molecules, and all of those atoms and molecules are fundamentally built from quantum mechanics and quantum physics. So if we can start to actually understand and simulate that accurately, we can start to take things out from the computational space and into the real world, which is just incredible, because then we can start to think about new drugs, new ways of simulating different molecules that have a really high impact. So for example, sounds silly, but new fertilizer solutions, and find new materials for better solar cells. So really it will impact hugely. On the other side of things, we have data. There's more and more data in the world, and we need to be able to optimize and crunch it faster and better. And quantum computing provides a new way of processing that information that's fundamentally different from classical computation. The technology that we are building of the future will reflect the people that build it today. So we need to make sure that we are building a diverse workforce, and we need to make sure that quantum computing and the resources and the learning is accessible to all at the earliest stage possible. As a CEO, I'm incredibly passionate about not just building world-class technology, but building a world-class company, and that will help us be successful 10, 15 years from now. So where do I see ourselves in 10, 15 years' time? We will be public, we will IPO, and we will be providing a quantum-enabled future to the world.